deep fried reptiles? Fried Cobra with Venom Dipping Sauce. Alright, for our sauce, we're going to need some raspberry jam. Let's get that in there. I made this, but you can use whatever you like, whatever brand you like, rather. Some Worcestershire sauce. Brown sugar. And ketchup. Bring this all up to a boil. Once it reaches a low simmer, you can add your apple cider vinegar. Alright, it's starting to bubble up, so we're going to add a few last minute additions. I'm going to add some hot sauce. You can use whatever you like. I'm using Cholula, and you can add as much or as little as you like. I'm adding a fair amount. I like it kind of spicy. And of course, we're going to stir that in. And very carefully, careful it's hot, I'm going to try it. And season it to taste with salt and pepper. It doesn't need any salt, but I am going to add a little bit of pepper. This is done. Take it off the heat. And pour it into your favorite sauce jar. And keep it in the fridge until dinner time. Alright, so it's kind of hard to source snake. I'm not against eating it, I just can't find any. But I'm told that a lot of reptiles, including snake, kind of sort of taste like chicken. So I'm using my favorite chicken thighs. I eat a lot of these. And they're boneless and skinless. I kind of trimmed them of the fat. And if they're smaller thighs like this, you can just leave them whole. But bigger thighs, I cut in half. You want long strips. Alright, now for a quick little marinade. It starts with some lemon juice, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. Now, this is all you really need. You can mix this up together, and it'll make a really, really good marinade for our fried cobra. However, I'm going to add 2 other ingredients. A little bit of MSG. Go easy. And some garlic powder. Very little. Doesn't need very much. Alright, now that it's all mixed up, I'm going to put it in the fridge for at least half an hour. We're going to bread our cobra in cornstarch. It's my favorite thing to bread in because it fries up the crispiest. I also kind of like the way it feels. Alright, it's been about an hour and I have my marinated chicken here and I'm going to dredge it in the cornstarch. Just put it in, shake it around, turn it, shake it around. Should look kind of like this. Try to dust the excess off. Alright, so all of our chicken is dredged, and all we gotta do is heat up some oil, and we're gonna fry these. Alright, once the oil is hot, you can fry about 2 or 3 pieces at a time, depending on how big your pieces are and how big the pot is. I'm using my tempura pot because once I evacuate my food, it'll sit on top of this draining rack and make sure that our food isn't oil logged. Flip them every couple of minutes so that they cook evenly. The cool thing about chicken thighs is you really can't overcook them, so always fry them longer than you think you'll need to, because you don't want to eat raw chicken. After 8 to 10 minutes of frying, your chicken will look like this. Let it drain. And repeat with the other pieces. A lot of fried chicken recipes will have you stash chicken in a warm oven, but these stay crispy for a very, very long time. So I wouldn't do that. But once they are drained, I would move them so that the steam that's coming off of the frying pieces don't condense on top of these. By the way, when you're done frying your chicken, don't forget to add a few French fries into the oil. Look at all this fried Cobra. It's Cobra, that's right. It's very, very, very. You can hear that, can't you? Here, let me show you a little test. And this has been sitting on a plate for about 5 minutes, so it stays crunchy forever. All right, let's plate it up. In a basket with some French fries, arrange your pile of fried Cobra. Look at that. And a little bit of parsley, just to trick people into thinking that it's healthy. Oh, there we go. Healthy. Green. Don't forget the dipping sauce. Alright, let's give it a shot. Dunk it in the delicious Venom sauce. Look at that. Fried Cobra is yummy! If you like that, check out this playlist. It's got plenty more MiiTopia Grub. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!